natin pong pakinggan ang mensahe ng pasasalamat ni Precious Liana M. Lorenzo, mag-aaral mula sa Kinder Guava.
To our respected principal, teachers, parents, guardians, visitors, beloved fellow movers, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am really happy that we are moving from kindergarten today. Thank you, teacher, for helping us learn and grow every day. Thank you, friends, for playing and sharing with me. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for bringing me to school and supporting me. Thank you, helpers, for keeping our school clean and safe. Thank you, school, for giving us a safe place to learn and have fun. Thank you, everyone, for being kind and making me smile. Again,